creature that has 25,000 teeth, which nose is inside out, and that has a belly instead of feet. What do you think it is?
Snail.
An alien from Men in Black?
No, it's just a snail.
Oh, shiver me cheddars.
This beauty is called Achatina reticulata albino body, or a giant African snail. It can do some really incredible things. For instance, they say snails can overcome any obstacles. Let's see if that's true. We'll take a hairbrush with thin bristles and offer our snail to handle it. Look how easy and graceful it moves. It's really amazing.
But the bristles are really sharp.
Yes, but snails produce a slime substance that helps them move and also protects their soft belly. That's called a foot.
Slime, you said. We have more in common than I thought. It kind of looks like a tongue, though.
These snails are very friendly and quiet. That's why some people get them as pets. Snail lovers even invented a new sport, snail racing.
Really? I wouldn't bet much on this runner.
Snails can carry a weight that is 10 times or more than its own. Not impressed? Well, just imagine yourself lifting up a small horse, and then imagine running.
Wow! We should see if it can lift up one slim slime. What was it about its nose being inside out?
Unlike humans, the snail's organ that's responsible for their sense of smell is located outside of its body, on the lower tentacles. That's also where its sense of touch is.
Where are its eyes?
Technically, on its upper tentacles. They can sense light, but besides that, they're almost completely blind.
Poor snails.
They also have no ears, which makes them deaf. They rely on their sense of smell and touch to get around. Guys, did you like this video about snails? Then give this episode a thumbs up. If you want to learn more about other live creatures and where they live, comment below and subscribe to our channel. See you soon!